are the most refreshing slushy recipes.
Today we're making limited edition Mountain Dew Frostbite Slushies. Start with a lemon or a lime and go around the edge of your glass.
Now dip it into some blue sugar.
In a blender, add 4 or 5 cups of ice. Now add 16.9 ounces of Frostbite Mountain Dew. And blend. Fill your glasses. And now for the taste test. First with our tiny spoon. So good. Delicious. Today we're making Sour Patch Kids slushies. Start by adding 1 cup of cold water to a blender. I'm adding this really strong flavoring. I'm using strawberry, only a little bit because it's very strong. Next, we're using red food coloring. Optional. Now 2 cups of ice cubes. Now we're going to add some Sour Patch Kids. Just a few. Then some sour trolley crawlers. And just to be sure it's sour enough, we're going to add some citric acid to it. Only 1 tablespoon because it's very sour. Now just puree this. All right.
Fill a container with your slushies.
Decorate the top with some more Sour Patch Kids. Maybe some more trolleys. And a stick of sour streamers. Now for the taste test. Wow, that's sour. Today we're going to make the Sunny D Slushy. First, put 3 to 4 cups of ice into a blender. Next, 1 cup of Sunny D. And blend. And when it's all done, we can just pour it into our glass. And just put a straw in it. Now it's time for the taste test. First with our straw. I love Sunny D. Then our tiny spoon, of course. Delicious. And that's why today we're going to make lemonade slushies. And thanks, Bryce, for the suggestion. First thing you do, start with some frozen concentrated lemonade, or you can use your own homemade lemonade and freeze it. This is 12 ounces. Put it into a blender. Next, add 1 cup of ice cubes. Next, about a half cup of water. Now just blend. Now just pour it into your serving dish. Now it's time for the taste test. Ooh, that's good. Very sweet. And of course, with our tiny spoon. Delicious. Today we're going to make the slushy using Major Melon as the flavor. First thing we need to do is decorate the glass. This is totally optional, but I just think it'd be fun. Take a little bit of my watermelon extract. I'm putting it on a paper towel. And just rub it across the rim of our glass. Next, take some pink sprinkles. Add it to the rim. Next, in a blender, we're going to add 3 to 4 cups of ice. Then our Mountain Dew Major Melon that Mountain Dew gave me for free. Thank you so much. Add only about 1 cup and blend. Now just pour it into a glass.
And just put in your straw.
And now it's time for the taste test. This is good. And of course we're going to try it with our tiny spoon. Better.